Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Light blue color, grey color, red color, black color, blue color, violet color, light green color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, green color, orange color. Let's learn alphabets. P for Panda, Q for Queen, R for Rabbit. P for Panda, P for Panda, P for Panda. Let's fill the P in black color. P for Panda. P for Panda. Let's fill the Panda. P for 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 Panda. This is a grey color. This is a panda. P for Panda. P for Panda. Q for Queen. Q for Queen. This is a pink color. Q for Queen. 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 This is a yellow color. This is a queen earrings. Q for Queen. Q for Queen. Let's fill the queen hair color. Q for queen. Q for queen. This is a queen hair. Hair color is black. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. This is a grey color. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. This is a rabbit. R for rabbit. This is a rabbit ear. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.